Premium graphite electrodes and nipples for steel manufacturing by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. The steel industry forms the backbone of modern infrastructure, construction, automotive, manufacturing, heavy engineering, railways, shipbuilding, energy, and industrial development. Every day, millions of tons of steel are produced worldwide to support economic growth and technological advancement. At the heart of modern steel production lies one of the most critical consumables, graphite electrode. These high-performance electrodes enable electric arc furnaces to efficiently melt scrap steel and other raw materials under extremely high temperatures, ensuring reliable and cost-effective steel production. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we supply premium quality RP, HP, and UHP graphite electrodes and graphite nipples through our trusted network of globally associated leading manufacturers. Our solutions are designed to meet international quality standards and the demanding requirements of steel manufacturers across the globe. In today's video, we will explore everything you need to know about graphite electrodes, their applications, benefits, manufacturing process, and why URGS is a trusted engineering partner for global supply. Understanding graphite electrodes. Graphite electrodes are high purity carbon products manufactured from petroleum coke, needle coke, and coal tar pitch. They are specially engineered to conduct extremely high electrical currents into electric arc furnaces EAF and ladle furnaces LF, where temperatures can exceed 3000 degrees Celsius. These electrodes must withstand intense thermal, electrical, and mechanical stresses while maintaining consistent performance. Graphite electrodes are indispensable in modern steel making because they provide high electrical conductivity, excellent thermal resistance, superior mechanical strength, low electrical resistance, long service life, stable arc performance. Without graphite electrodes, electric arc furnace steel making would not be possible. Now, types of graphite electrodes. Different steel making operations require different grades of graphite electrodes. RP, regular power graphite electrodes. RP electrodes are suitable for conventional steel making and lower current furnace operations. They are commonly used in small and medium capacity furnaces and foundries. Applications include foundries, small steel plants, casting industries, non-ferrous metal production. HP, high power graphite electrodes. HP electrodes are designed for higher electrical loads and more demanding furnace conditions. They provide better conductivity, higher strength, improved thermal shock resistance, longer operating life. Applications include medium and large electric arc furnaces, alloy steel production, continuous steel manufacturing. UHP, ultra high power graphite electrodes. UHP electrodes represent the highest level of graphite electrode technology. Manufactured using premium needle coke, they deliver maximum conductivity, exceptional oxidation resistance, outstanding mechanical strength, high productivity, lower power consumption. They are ideal for large electric arc furnaces, high capacity steel plants, premium steel manufacturing, special alloy production. Graphite nipples, their importance. Graphite nipples connect individual electrode sections together. Although small in size, they play a critical role in ensuring strong mechanical joints, efficient electrical conductivity, stable furnace operation, reduced energy losses, long electrode life. Our associate manufacturers supply precision machined nipples manufactured according to international specifications for reliable performance. Manufacturing process. Producing high quality graphite electrodes require advanced technology and strict quality control. The process includes selection of premium petroleum coke and needle coke, crushing and grading, mixing with coal tar pitch, extrusion, baking, impregnation, rebaking, graphitization at temperatures above 3000 degrees Celsius, precision machining, thread cutting, quality inspection, packing and export. Each stage ensures consistent product quality and superior furnace performance. Now, applications across industries. Graphite electrodes are widely used in steel manufacturing, electric arc furnace operations, ladle furnaces, ferroalloy plants, silicon metal production, foundries, metal recycling, heavy engineering, metallurgical industries, special steel manufacturing. As industries increasingly adopt sustainable steel production using recycled scrap, demand for high quality graphite electrodes continues to grow globally. Why quality matters? Using inferior graphite electrodes can result in frequent breakage, higher energy consumption, increased oxidation, furnace downtime, production losses, higher operating costs. Premium quality electrodes provide stable arc, lower consumption, higher furnace productivity, reduced electrode breakage, improved steel quality, longer service life. Investing in quality electrodes leads to lower production costs and greater operational efficiency. Why choose URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited? At URGS International, we understand the operational challenges faced by steel manufacturers. Through our globally associated manufacturing partners, we offer RP graphite electrodes, HP graphite electrodes, UHP graphite electrodes, graphite nipples, OEM manufacturing, customized sizes, factory direct pricing, export documentation support, technical consultation, global logistics assistance. Our products are sourced from manufacturers that comply with internationally recognized quality standards, including ISO certified, CE certified, GOS certified. This ensures our customers receive products that meet demanding industrial applications with consistent quality and reliability. Whether you require standard sizes or customized specifications, URGS provides tailored solutions backed by technical expertise and dependable service. Global supply and customer commitment. URGS International serves customers across India, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia. Our experienced team supports clients with product selection, technical guidance, commercial quotations, export documentation, logistic coordination, after-sales assistance. Our mission is to deliver reliable industrial products that contribute to higher productivity and long-term operational success. At last, summary, closing message. See, graphite electrodes are more than just consumables. They are essential components that drive efficient, sustainable, and high-quality steel production. Choosing the right supplier means choosing reliability, quality, technical expertise, and long-term value. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is committed to supplying premium graphite electrodes and nipples through our trusted global manufacturing partners, ensuring our customers receive world-class products with exceptional service. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more engineering insights, industrial products and technology updates. For product inquiries, technical consultation or bulk supply requirements, contact us today. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359 458455. Engineering Excellence, Global Manufacturing Network, Trusted Industrial Solutions, Worldwide Supply. Thank you.